Alrighty guys, welcome back. Today we are currently back out here in the DragsterTV garage here. As you guys can see, currently working on the 05 Honda 400DX here. Today we have a brand new, I believe this is a Pro X. This is an inner clutch hub here. So as you guys can see right here, the basket is what goes around it. And if we go and take off our brand new pressure plate here with the little rod on the inside, you guys can see that right there with the threaded holes right there. That is our inner clutch hub. So all we're doing is just replacing that today. For those guys that didn't watch the last part when we tried putting it back together, as you guys can see, I mean, those holes are a little bit filled. Alrighty guys, I don't know. Oh, there's one right there. So the heads of the bolts snapped off inside of it. So essentially what we have to do today is go ahead and just simply, let me go and set down the pressure plate carefully here. So what we have to do today, go ahead and take off this nut. Take off the, well, first we have to take off the clutch pack, take off the nut, and then take off this, put a new one on, and then put the clutch pack back together, and that should be that. Alright guys, new inner clutch hub is on. Got the clutch pack all put back on. Once again, we couldn't get the last plate to clock over one. Not too sure why, but yeah, we got it all as it's supposed to be. Now we're just ready for the brand new bolts, and then we can put the bolts on with the, wait, what are we doing here? Come on. Oh wait, that fell out. Alright, not too sure why that happened when I was just, I don't know why I was taking off the pressure plate for a moment just to show you guys, but yeah, that last plate kind of stuck to it and came off. Not sure why, but anyways, it's all in place right now. We just need new bolts to go with our new heavy-duty springs, and we can get it put back together, put some more oil in it, and also I got a chromatic gasket kit to go on it, as you guys can see, to upgrade from these two flimsy ones. I got a set of two little paper flimsy ones. They ripped, but this chromatic gasket kit fits a lot better. Looks a lot better and should work a lot better. It's a lot thicker too. So we're gonna get this all put back together, and I'll catch you guys with that. Alright guys, multiple hours later, got some new bolts. As you guys can see, we got 3 new bolts, or excuse me, we actually got 2 new bolts, because 2 of the bolts snapped off inside the old hub here. As you guys can see, so look, them 2 right there snapped off. So we got some new bolts to go with our new Pro X inner clutch hub, and yeah, just time to tighten them down. I already showed you guys the new chromatic gasket here. Gonna get that put on with the case, and we should be back in business. Just have to put some more oil in it, and then that'll be that. So I'll put you guys up for a time lapse with me just, I guess, tightening down the bolts, and yeah, I'll catch you guys with that. Alrighty guys, it's now night. So fast forward a couple of hours, we got the case put back together. The weird thing is, so when we first started up, once we got it put back together, but the clutch didn't work, we found out, it fired right up and it idled just fine. Now there's an idle issue, so it doesn't really idle as well. So we kind of need to fire it up and hold the gas, and then now the clutch works. You can pull in the clutch, kick in the first, and then go with the flow, but you can't really let off the gas. So it's an idle issue. Not too sure where it came from, why it started, but we're gonna get that figured out tomorrow. Stuff still burns off the exhaust a little bit, but that's probably just gonna be temporarily. We've had oil down it and stuff like that. It's just probably just cooking off, but I think the exhaust don'ts worked for the most part, if you guys watched the last part of the video. So that's what it looks like right now. Believe it or not, that is currently disengaged. I know it's supposed to sit like at that angle, disengaged. But yeah, it's currently engaged right now, and that is fully engaged. Yeah, I knew there wasn't too much movement to it, but yeah, it's nice and tight, very smooth, as you guys can see. real smooth, not too tight like it was, and I'm just glad there's no more issues with it to the most part. You know, got to put some air in the tires. Just ran some more oil through it, so we need to put more oil in it. But not much left after that, and then we can go ride it, and I'll have someone record me as I'm going out of the driveway for the first time, hopefully tomorrow. So either make that a short on the channel here, or just post it into a video for you guys. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Leave a like if you guys did enjoy, subscribe if you're new and you haven't already. And with that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and with that, catch you guys very, very soon in the next one.